civilmedia.mk. Slobodno, nezavisno, otvoreno.
The Human Rights Award of Friedrich-Ebert-Stiftung has been handed to individuals, but also to organizations in the past. And each year we select a number of nominees from around the world who are candidates for this prize. This selection, the first selection of nominees, that goes through our office infrastructure around the world. So everybody can suggest people. And of course, oftentimes, those are people that have already caught the attention of other activists globally, but sometimes these are also not that known groups or organizations that we would like to promote through this prize. But in general, the criteria are that they have to be people or organizations who have fostered the shared values, who have contributed to strengthening human rights in the context that they work in, that they are engaged in. So it's activists, it's politicians, it's sometimes NGOs that receive this prize. We have selected Zoran Zaev because he has done a tremendous job in fostering human rights, in strengthening justice in the country, and in preparing a path towards a better system of rule of law for the entire country, for all citizens of the country. And it's not a coincidence, of course, that we're announcing this on the 2nd anniversary of Prespa Agreement, because Prespa Agreement in its essence has paved the way towards a brighter future for the country, but also for all citizens and for rule of law, with the perspective of starting EU accession talks. Essentially, there are many things that have contributed to that, I'm sure, but we wanted to underline his particular role and courageous role in it, because of course it was a very difficult compromise that was found, and it was due to his courage that this could actually be finalized. But it's not only Prespa Agreement, it's also his work as the opposition leader, the way that he has published important information that was crucial to then bring about change in the country in the past. So it's not just his time as prime minister, but it is his overall achievement in the many years that he has worked as a public figure in this country, in politics, and has been engaged in really improving the situation for the citizens in North Macedonia and improving their right to their civil rights and their human rights.